Hi everybody, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve update on Telegram. To know how to fix or how to solve update on Telegram app, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then you can click on Telegram app and you will enter here. After that, you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again. So please don't forget to support us, bell icon and subscribe. See you next time in another video.